Hello friends, day 123, and I got up quickly this morning before the rain came in, managed to get the tent packed away dry. That was good. The other good news is that Big Agnes II is not leaking at the moment. I've fixed the puncture and there's only one, so that's good, although it wouldn't surprise me if I get some more given the history with the first one. Anyway, I spent most of today on the Shropshire Union Canal, which is a lovely canal, nice and peaceful at most of its length, and quite fascinating because it uses embankments and cuttings to avoid locks, and some of the embankments are about 30 to 40 feet above the surrounding landscape, which is amazing when you think of the tools they had available at the time. I also met a runner who was preparing for a 140-mile run, but I haven't got room in tonight's video to put him in, so he'll have to be bumped forward to tomorrow, because if you remember yesterday I said I'd met a chap on a steam narrowboat, so I'm going to put him in tonight's video. So let's see what we've got, and I will see you on the trail.
Hi, I'm Matt Codsall. I'm the owner of steam narrowboat Codsall. Codsall's one of only 9 steam-powered narrowboats left on the network. Codsall is driven by a compound steam engine, which means it uses the steam twice and then recycles the steam and turns it back into water and pumps it back into the boiler. So we don't actually use a lot of water in a running day, and we're just on trials at the moment because we've converted it to burn oil instead of coal. So we're currently just on our sort of operating trials to see how they're working.
My room with a view is not quite so good tonight. I've got a fairly scrubby piece of land that I found, but I was walking on and on trying to find somewhere, so this was the best I could do, and it's within earshot of the M54 as well, but never mind. The other problem I'm having is that the ground is so hard at the moment that my unbreakable tent pegs are breaking.